Hello everyone. So what we're going to do in this video is walk through this website. This website is called allrecipes.com, and as you can tell by the screen, it has to do with food. It gives you recipes for all different sorts of stuff. Let's see, when you click browse, as you can see here, it's categorized. You have meal type, cooking style, world cuisine, diet and health. Whatever food information you might be looking for, you might just find it here. Let's say you're feeling Indian today. You click on Indian recipes, let the page load, and as you can see here, you scroll down and it gives you different kinds of Indian dishes. Maybe you want to make an Indian fish curry, dinner recipes. Maybe you're going through this and you know what? Nothing here looks interesting. That's okay. That's what it's here for. Maybe the thing that you thought you wanted, that's not actually what you want. No problem. Why don't we go for Mexican? Let's see here. Wait for it to load. Go ahead. Go down. And would you look at this? I'm already craving this right now. This is what I'm going to go for. I click on it. It loads. You have the information right here. You have the reviews right here. And if you'll excuse me, I think I'm going to go cook this up. Thank you.